Okay. Randy's making hamburgers for the students tomorrow. So we got what? 90, 10%?
Yep, 93.7% hamburger.
Mm-hmm. That means what?
It's lean.
It's lean, yeah,
Very
really lean.
Okay, next we're going to put some Famous Dave's on it.
What's Famous Dave's?
Famous Dave's, sweet and sassy, barbecue sauce.
Oh, sweet.
Since it's so lean, always put liquid with it so it doesn't dry out as bad when you grill it. And you just use your own judgment as to how much you want to put on. We go with salt.
How much?
And you just put on salt to your taste. This is like 4.5 pounds of hamburgers, so you can put quite a little bit of salt. And same with pepper, because you're seasoning for 4.5 pounds. Now we go with the pepper. Like I say, it's just to your judgment, but you got 4.5 pounds of meat. So you can use to your taste. And then I always top it off with some Worcestershire sauce. And again, it's just to your taste. This way the lean hamburger still has juice in it, and it won't be so dry. But it's better for you because it doesn't have the fat in it. Put it together. Get it in here with your hands and mix everything together. And then, when we get it all mixed together, we'll start putting it in patties. I always like bigger hamburgers.
Why is that?
I probably make half-pound hamburgers. You know, that's just your whether you want them big, small, doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna use a gas grill, cook these tomorrow. I like charcoal better, but I'm going to be cooking at Barber College, so I'm going to use a gas grill, and it'll still be good.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. It'll still be good. And I just grabbed like a handful there, and you just hand pat it down. And when you grill these, you want to always put a thumbprint in the middle so they won't dry out, so the juice will go to where you made that thumbprint.
Oh, good idea.
And that way your burgers will stay a lot more juicy. So for the video, I'll put a thumbprint in it. And as you can see, those are good sized burgers.
They're gonna be yummy. Students are gonna love that. That's for sure. Yeah.
They're good sized burgers.
Okay, tune in tomorrow, and we shall be seeing the finished products when they are out of the grill.
Adios.
Okay, see you in the next one.
Yep. Okay, I'm out here grilling these hamburgers, and you can see the juice in that hole. That keeps your hamburger a lot more juicier, because that juice doesn't run off, it stays on the hamburger. I got some of them getting about done, but so far so good. We'll catch you later with grilling. You have a wonderful day.